So, good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Yuvraj Parkare, Coordinator and Associate Professor from ENTC Department of SCPMS College of Engineering, Maregaon. Now, I would like to warmly welcome you all to Inauguration Ceremony of the ATAL Faculty Development Program on Advancement in Semiconductor Technology, Trends, Applications and Future Prospects, which is approved by AICT Training and Learning Program and will be hosted by Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of SCPMS College of Engineering, Maregaon, Baramati. The aim of this FDP is to enhance the knowledge and technical competence of faculty members, researchers, and professionals in the rapidly evolving field of semiconductor technology. We extend a special thank and welcome to our eminent resource persons whose guidance and expertise will greatly enrich this program. We also warmly welcome all the participants from various institutions from overall India and hope this FDP will be a valuable learning experience for all of we. We sincerely thank AICT for providing this wonderful ATAL platform for faculty development. Now we would like to welcome our respected Chief Patron, Honorable Padma Vibhushan Sri Sharat Chandraji Pawar Sahib, former Minister for Agricultural and Food, Government of India and President of SCPMS Maregaon, along with Honorable Sri Ajit Dada Pawar, Deputy Chief Minister, Maharashtra and Vice President, SCPM Maregaon, and Honorable So Supriyata Isue, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha and Trustee of SCPMS Maregaon. We also welcome all Honorable Patron and Trustee members, including Sri Advocate.
On the occasion of 1 week online FDP, ATAL FDP on Advancement in Semiconductor Technology, Trends, Application and Future Prospects, which is going to be conducted from today till 24th of January 2026. I welcome all participants for this ATAL FDP, which will be a great learning experience for all of them. First of all, I congratulate to Coordinator Dr. Yuvraj Parkare sir, Co-Coordinator Dr. Mrs. Neeta Doshi ma'am, Principal Dr. Mukne sir, and the team who are in support of organizing this ATAL FDP on advancement of semiconductor technology. This FDP for a week will be definitely useful for participants to enhance their knowledge related to semiconductor technology.
Respected Dr. Dhananjay Thomre sir, Secretary of SVPM, Coordinator of today's this 1 week online FDP, Dr. Yuvraj Parkare sir, Co-Coordinator Dr. Neeta Doshi ma'am, and all the participants. On behalf of SVPM College of Engineering, I welcome you all for this ATAL FDP. Advancements.
And I take the privilege to introduce today's speaker, Vinay Sharma. He's really a don, and you'll understand through the expertise which he'll be delivering to us. So he's MTech in electronics with 24 years experience. He's a founder, director of company in NI Logic Private Limited, which is into design and distribution of engineering products. He's also co-founded Inkbot Labs Private Limited in 2023 and developed kinetic stand as art coffee tables, highly engaging product. He is highly skilled in VLSI and embedded systems engineering with a proven track record in DRDO projects. He is passionate about engineering education. He has mentored faculty and students with numerous workshops and their research activities. And I'm the live example of getting mentorship from him. And he's still bridging industry and academia from the knowledge and expertise you have. Welcome, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Neeta ma'am. Thank you so much for such a compassionate introduction. I didn't knew that I have done so many number of things. I don't know how you have briefed so much. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you, Yuvraj, for making this all possible today. And obviously, thank you for management to the CBM COE Maregaon for organizing such kind of events. And I always appreciate, be it offline, online, whatever modes possible. And we should be ready to learn. So obviously, you guys have created the platform, and I see what more than 260 people have registered for this workshop, and we all are here today. So I will try to do my best to share whatever I've learned so far. And today what I have thought is to just start the workshop with a know-how, how the semiconductor has progressed in the last couple of decades, and in which direction it is heading for, so that you guys can tune up your syllabus, your teaching methodologies according to the same. Okay. So today I just start my PC sharing. Entire screen is good. Okay, there we are. Okay, thank you all for having me here. And okay, so yes, the introduction have been quite briefly made, so I need not to stop over here on the slide. So today's session is around almost 3 hours, divided into 2 sessions. So that's, and that will help you to start with the software. So I kept some time to answer some questions or any doubts, or you want to discuss anything from my presentation on and off, or whatever I know about. So yes, VLSI is pacing up and the graph is exponentially up and rising. And the issue is that our UG and PG programs, they run very slow to allow students to catch up all the concept possible. So obviously we have to speed up. So with such kind of platform, the speed up becomes very easy, and you can allow your students to practice more and more in their labs. Okay. So that is what I tell to my students that attending class.
Working on Board of Studies of Pune University and COEP Technology University and postgraduate research guidance. He's contributed in setting up Center of Excellence in Advanced Electronic Manufacturing for SMT at COP, and also conducted trainings at SMT lines. About the awards and recognition, he has got the award of Yasho Kirti Puraskar, which is honored by Computer Society of India, Nashik chapter, for contributions to information technology. Plus, he has got the Vocational Excellence Award, honored by Rotary Club of Pune, Southeast, for professional excellence in engineering and IT. About the industry engagement and leadership roles, he is founding member for Software Exporters Association of Pune, board member of Electronic Cooperative Estate Pune. He served on multiple government and industry committees, PMC, DIC, Government of Maharashtra, MCCIA, and Customs. He is on advisory roles in semiconductor research, VLSI design, product development, and digital transformation initiatives. Then CEMEX, IIT Bombay, he is executive member of, and then he is member of Semiconductor Association of Pune. So really, we are very proud, and it's our honor, sir, for accepting our invitation as a speaker. So let's welcome the technology strategist, semiconductor and embedded system expert, business leader, CEMEX executive, IIT Mumbai, and MICA ATDG member. Over to you, sir. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, madam. So can I share now my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So hearty welcome to all the participants from various institutions. It's really nice meeting you people here, online mode. I wish we could have met all of you in person somewhere. Okay. I'm just going to share my PowerPoint presentation and let me know if you are able to see it well. Right? I hope everybody is able to see that.
Privileged to introduce today's guest, who is Sagar Giravle. He's senior DFT engineer, distinguished DFT lead with over 9 years of experience in semiconductor industry. He specialized in high performance wireless transceivers and complex SoC architectures. He's a proven expertise across advanced FinFET nodes, 6 nanometer, 14 nanometer, and 28 nanometer, with a portfolio of 10 plus successful tapeouts. Currently, he is serving as a DFT engineer at Google. He brings a deep background in leading multidisciplinary teams and pioneering next generation technologies, streaming, scan network, that is SN, and frequency functional clock. All of you, and a warm and hearty welcome today to the today's guest of honor, Sagar Jagtap sir. On behalf of College of Engineering, Maregaon, welcome to the 1 week online ATAL FDP on advancements in semiconductor technology, trends, applications, and future prospects. So to start with, I would like to introduce the guest of honor who has accepted our invitation, and really we are fortunate to have him on the stage to share his expertise in the following things which I'll introduce. So to start with the introduction, we'll start with his technical competencies. He has IC design experience in RTL coding, UPF, UVM, synthesis, FPGA synthesis, DFT, low power simulations, placement and routing, static, lot of information from whatever he will be sharing with us. So without taking much more time, I would like to invite and thank once again Sagar Jagtap for accepting an invitation to share his views. Welcome, Sagar, over to you.
Yeah, thank you. So can you hear me? Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So as you heard in the introduction that I'm in ASIC design field from last around 20 years, and I worked on various small scale, big scale projects. And now I'm with Presto Engineering, which is a Danish company. It used to be a Danish government company helping many startups and working with academia and industry. So basically one leg in academics and one leg in industry. So basically I will try to explain the whole ASIC implementation flow, the one which we use and I believe whole industry is using. To just go with the outline, we will start with like requirement, how project converter to X2 basically, or X4 for that matter, and then try to fix that timing. So basically more you go in the backend, more critical it becomes.
One last question from my side. That is, correct.
The guest of honor today, Dr. Mani sir, and all the participants obviously. I would like to start by introducing today's guest of honor. At present, he is a professor and head of department of ENTC in Semiconductor College of Engineering. He has done his PhD in VLSI from Government College of Engineering, Pune, and MTech from IIT Mumbai. His area of interest are mixed signal VLSI chip design. Apart from that, his experience is of 30 years in teaching and half year in industry. He has memberships of professional societies like MIEEE, then he is life member of ISTE and life member of SESI. Now about the major roles in university and industry he's played is he is board of studies member in SPPU, that is.
Go ahead. Thank you, Dr. Doshi madam, for introducing me in this way in detail. It's not in this kind of detail is required. Basically, I'm the faculty and lifetime researcher in electronics, specifically in VLSI, in mixed signal chip design. Fine. Thank you, Dr. Parkale sir, Dr. Doshi madam, for inviting me here. And let us have good presentation, good discussion, question answers in this session. The topic here today given to me is semiconductor devices in modern electronics. Fine. Different speakers are allotted for different topics, and it is a big span of FDP, and this is, I think, the 4th day this session is going on. And when this topic was given to me, I was initially many thoughts were there in my mind that okay, what to really explore in this 1.5 hours, 90 minutes, and where to stop and all. But okay, from my side, I tried to, my aim is to make you aware into different devices, different advanced devices, which are being used in the market in the VLSI chips currently in commercial applications everywhere. So we'll go ahead with this short presentation.
He received his Bachelor of Degrees in ENTC from University of Pune, and again, our proud alumni. Hats off to you, sir. He completed his MTech from College of Engineering, Pune. After his MTech, he completed his PhD in the area of microelectronics. It was in 2014, microelectronics and VLSI from IIT Kanpur. Then he bagged Best Student Award at 4th International Student Workshop on Electrical Engineering at Kitsu. I'm sorry, I couldn't pronounce it properly, University of Fukuoka, Japan, and also received cash award of 20,000 twice by IIT Kanpur for publishing the paper in a reputed journal.
So thank you everyone. Today I'm going to give you the glimpses about the nanoscale MOSFETs. So I'm going to just tell you about the what so far happened in the past related to the nanoscale MOSFETs, then the present scenario, and also I'm just trying to tell you some research areas where you could start your research in this domain. So actually I'm the
Okay, it's 6 o'clock. So I feel without losing a moment, because whatever you will be telling is really very valuable for the audience and the faculty members. So I feel a warm and hearty welcome to the today's guest of honor, Dr. Madhurima Dev. Ma'am, welcome. And we are really fortunate you have accepted our invitation and your spare time to share your experience and expertise with us. So to start with, I would like to introduce today's guest of honor. Dr. Madhurima Dev is a senior researcher at the Mathematics Department of FIZ Karlsruhe in Berlin, working with Dr. Mortis. She has been working on the MARDI, that is Mathematical Research Data Initiative project, in the development of MARDI portal and its functionalities since November 2023. In 2023, she received her PhD in nanotechnology from the Center for Research in Nanotechnology and Science, Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, India. After receiving her...
Take you guys through the overview of what I want to talk about. So just give you an idea. I want to start with the timeline for smart sensor evolution, and then as I am an environmental sensor person, so I want to focus on environmental monitoring smart sensors and why we need them, what is the architecture of such sensors, then how these sensors work and application of those sensors will be covered in this presentation.
Dr. Prem Sai is currently working as a staff engineer to device design at IVP Semiconductors, focusing on innovation in power semiconductor device design. Previously, as a senior project engineer at CEMIX, that is Center for Semiconductor Technologies, he contributed significantly to semiconductor workforce development, leveraging hands-on expertise in fabrication processes, process integration, electrical characterization, and TCAD simulations, gained through extensive work at IIT Bombay's nano fabrication facility. That is,
I know this is your sleeping time, but I'll make sure that I will not bore you guys. So, yeah. So the topic they have given it to be is Introduction to Semiconductor Fabrication and Clean Room Technology. So this is little of the topic from what you have studied. I went through the schedule and I saw there are some talks on FPGAs and nanoelectronics, all that. So, but
she is having 25 years of experience in verification from strategy definition to closure of functional verification. She has expertise in verification strategy, test bench architecture, variation plans, then experience in HDL, VLSIs, VHDL, Verilog, system Verilog, then verification methodologies like VMM, UVM. Then hands-on experience on AMBA, AHB, then X13, X14 and ACE. She has also hands-on SONET, SDH, then USB to PCI Express and experience in SOC, verification with C and VIP-based test bench automation with TERL or shell. Scripts for multi-core SOC.
Practice in COIP and have more than 25 years of experience in industry, VLSI industry. And my main job was the pre-silicon verification. So now I start with the title, that is pre-silicon precision. So why the precision? What do you mean by precision? So precision means not just correctness, but accuracy is expected. Precisely what is required has to happen. That is precision. A single mistake is also not available, is also not possible. Not 1% deviation from what is expected is allowed. So that is precision. And we have to achieve it in pre-silicon. That's why I gave the title like pre-silicon precision. And how that is achieved, that is by pre-silicon verification. So I guess by now actually you would have attended many of the sessions on VLSI design, semiconductor manufacturing and up to testing also. So you have pretty much idea about what the verification process is. And earlier you had a session for testing also, right? Suppose you have done all your efforts,
quantum phenomena. So as we recently have introduced to the quantum technology, but the race has started long back. Now here you can see the all other countries, those who are invested in the quantum world, like India just now has started with the $1 billion, whereas Canada has already invested 1.1 billion and UK has 1.3, whereas USA has around 1.2 billion. So, and the Japan and Taiwan, so they are almost 700 million. So as we can see, all other countries have started long back in the 90s for their quantum evolution, but whereas India just now has started in 19th April 2023, central government has announced like they will be funding 6,003 crores for accelerating the quantum technology in our nation. So they log
in into their ATAL portal. Okay. At 6:30, the link will be open automatically. We have scheduled from 6:30 to 7:30. Okay.
I appeal the participants to give the feedback, please. Can I request Principal RIET Greater Noida to start with the feedback?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening. A very good evening.
It's a very nice session, and I just learn much more because my field is not the VLSI, but I just learn lots of the things. Still, lots of the things is going on in the VLSI, and whatever the speakers are there, they are very, very renowned persons, and they just having more expertise in their field. And when I just learn that thing, I just collect all kind of the data, and hopefully I just provided that thing to my students also, so that they just benefited in that. But I just have a little request to you. because this time you just covered the advanced semiconductor and the bill and all that. Kindly in the coming future, you can arrange a 1 6-day FDP in the communication or some microstrip antenna and all that. Because this is also very dominating field right now, because everything is depending on the antenna communication. So it's my small request, if it is has to be covered, and in that you just cover the CST and the FHSS and all that software, which is very useful on today's designing the microstrip antenna and all that. It's my small request, if it is possible then.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sure,
Thank you
sir.
very
We'll
much.
try to give that. Thank you for the valuable feedback, sir. Any suggestions also will be welcome, sir.
Well, your team is very supporting, and no kind of problem I'm just facing. So that's why I just say, okay, just keep it on, and in future you just arrange such a nice FDP and all kind of and different subjects, and you just cover. And I am really proud to be connect again and again.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Yes, Dr. Bhule. Waiting for your valuable feedback.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Very good
Hello.
evening.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. You all.
Actually, it's very wonderful sessions you all have organized. So let me congratulate you all. First, your team, Dr. Vijay Parkale sir, Dr. Nita Doshi, and all associated members. You have taken really a lot of efforts to organize this, because it is very, very rare to get such a eminent personality. Means I would like to urge all the young generation that if they are going for PhD and they are searching for PhD guide, you will not find a better people than this. So they should collect the contacts, and these people are really working in the industry, and it is always better for our academician to have such kind of a connectivity. So really I appreciate, and I enjoyed more because right now I am heading the VLSI department only at Dr. Vittalrao Vikhe Patil College of Engineering, and most of the sessions where belongs to our field only, like CMOS, VLSI design, FPGA design, chip designing and all that. So really I enjoyed it, and I congratulate once again to all of you. 10 out of 10 to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Yes. Any more feedback, please?
Hello?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, Dr. Chaitrali.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm Dr. Chaitrali. I'm head CSE AML department, and I belong to a college in Navi Mumbai, Lokmanya Tilak Engineering College. And this is not actually my field, but artificial intelligence, it has the overlap with almost all the sectors. So I was interested, and I must congratulate each one of you, you as well as Yuvraj sir, for having such a good session, that a theme and all the lectures, they were so well organized. The resource persons, they were very expert session conductors. They were on time, all the sessions they started. Execution was so well, and very effective management, because I have also conducted such FDP recently, and I know how much effort the coordinators they have to take in this, because it is not at all easy after college hours in the evening to conduct all this and be attentive and coordinate well, and ensure that everything is happening seamlessly. So that was very well done, and due to that, participants like us, they were very happy to have such contents, as well as communication was very effective in WhatsApp group, on mail, etc., everything. So I congratulate you, and I wish that you can have such many more FDPs or conferences, etc., to come. So all the best to your team. Thank you very much.
I'm sure. With the support of all the participants, I'm really glad to get very positive feedback, and with the energy and motivation. Swati ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
You're
for this
audible.
FDP. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to SVPM College of Engineering for hosting this remarkable 6 days ATAL faculty FDP on advancement in semiconductor technology trends, application and future prospect. It is a matter of great pride to be a part of this knowledge sharing initiative. A special note of appreciation to Dr. Yuvraj Parkale sir and Dr. Neeta Doshi ma'am for their perfect planning, seamless execution and tireless dedication in making this FDP a grand success. Their vision and dedication have provided us with a platform to learn from the very best in the VLSI domain. This FDP has been a journey of inspiration and learning. As an I'm an alumnus of SVPM, so as an
Deepali ma'am.
हाँ मैम हाँ दीपाली मंगेश काले सिद्धांत कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग सुदुमरे ma'am this FDP is so wonderful. That means all speakers explain the different topics regarding current technologies, and this FDP also helpful for PhD research also. Thank you ma'am for organizing such wonderful FDP.
Thank you ma'am for the feedback.
Sincere gratitude for all the experts who delivered sessions, and by listening to the feedback of the participants, I think these sessions were really wonderful, fruitful, and it will help in their career to excel in this particular semiconductor technology area, advancements in semiconductor technology area. So I was listening to the participants. One participant from Greater Noida, Principal Sir. Then resource person Pawar Sir also present for this valedictory function, and our alumni Deshmukh Madam. Then other participants who have expressed their feedback. And one thing is, it is very important that learning takes place, means it continues. It should not be stopped. We should always learn, and learning happens through this particular such faculty development programs. Otherwise, in our routine day, we used to take lecture, practical, whatever load it is given to us, and we restricted to that only. But such faculty development program gives us opportunity to learn beyond our subject topics, to new things, upcoming technologies, and for that purpose, I really thank AICT ATAL for taking such a wonderful initiative, and for funding also, for granting some funds for conduction of this particular ATAL FDP. So on behalf of SVPM College of Engineering, once again I thank, and what do you say? One very important thing is that our coordinators, Dr. Yuvraj Parkale sir and Dr. Neeta Doshi madam, and support team, Mr. Dale and others. So really they work very hard to make this FDP a successful one. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, Parkale sir.
So, thank you, sir, for your valuable feedback and the energy always we gain from you, the motivation we gain to conduct like this kind